historic Gardenquake is a commercial-grade rear-tine garden tiller that can take on the abuses of routine use and will produce the expected results from the gardens you grow and manage. The Gardenquake is powered by a 5.5 horsepower Honda GX200 engine. The Gardenquake has an ideal tilling width of 19.7 inches. Its 12 forward rotating tines not only do a fabulous job breaking ground, but they break the soil into fine clumps. We've given this machine rough terrain tires with deep tread to keep it moving through mud and rough ground. In order to make it even more steady, simply shift the Gardenquake's differential lock to get the wheels moving in tandem in one direction. The Gardenquake is the perfect blend of compact design and the user-friendly features you'd expect from a commercial-grade rear-tine garden tiller.